Catboy! Owlet! Gecko!
Power Heroes! PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks, and the Power Heroes.
Into the night they go. They're bigger, they're better, they're the Power Heroes. Into the night to save the day. So many more to show you the way. Jumping, climbing, flying far. Into icy worlds and out to the stars. Cause
Nighttime is the right time to fight time.
Nope, I still can't think of a rhyme.
PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks, Power Heroes!
Pirate Ice Storm. This is so cool.
Going to the post office?
Being a hero in disguise.
Oh, yeah, you're right. We're heroes and nobody knows. Huh?
Don't street lights usually go up?
It's been hit by pudding, and I think I know by who. That rascal of the seas, Pirate Robot.
A pirate? Whoa! Pirates are really bad. They steal, they plunder, they have way too much hair.
Pirate Robot's not so bad. He's mainly just silly.
But the book says pirates are the terror of the seas.
Yes, but he was supposed to be a robot chef for Romeo, but he turned out to be a pirate. I sort of like him.
He knocks over street lights. Time for this pirate to face a blast of icy weather. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave new band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day.
Gecko! Catboy! Owlet!
Ice Cub! And you!
Newton Star!
PJ Masks, Power Heroes!
Thanks, PJ Robot. Tonight's big mission is
Save the city from a real pirate.
I'm a bucket of bolts, and my name's Pirate Robot. I'm made out of metal, but a pirate that's me.
To the Gecko-mobile, me polar bear Hardy.
Power Heroes shout hooray!
Gecko and Ice Cub go save the day.
Ha! Pirate Robot must be near.
We need to look out for the sound of pirate terror.
Ah! The squelch of pirate pudding?
Pirate Robot, meet Ice Cub. I want you to freeze. And don't fire puddings.
sorry, shipmate. I were just doing me target practice. I needs more practice.
It's okay to practice, but do it somewhere safe next time.
oh, careful with the asparagus.
Aye, Hornswoggle. 'Twas a glitch in me egg yolks. Won't happen again.
Pudding splat solved.
But the book says pirates are cunning. Can we trust him?
Ow! Ah! Oopsie. Still need more practice. Ahoy!
He really is a terror of the seas. Who knows what he'll do next?
Maybe it was just an accident.
No, it was pirate villainy.
Huh?
With a turn of a cog and a spin of a spanner.
Ice Cub, wait! I think a calm chat might fix this.
Snowball away!
Looks like a cold front's moving in. Don't worry,
Sweet, shipmate. Here's a pirate trick I learned from Long John Laptop. Arr!
Get behind me! Super Gecko Shields!
Gecko, are you okay?
I'm a little bit frozen.
I'll give you a bear hug. I knew that pirate was a menace.
No, it was your snowball. He just bounced it back.
Oh.
So this young boot-up wants to play hard drive? Then it be a duel.
Extra pepper?
No, his ice against my icing. Prepare the puds.
There you go. All defrosted.
Ahoy there, bear. Get ready for just desserts.
We have to talk to him.
No, Gecko. Pirate robot's gonna splat us big time. We've got to attack. Ha! Time for some freezy justice.
Full speed! USB port side! Arr! Ahar! You froze your own crew!
Oh no!
Super Cat Speed! Ah! Frosty Cat! Halt, hairy ones! Return those illustrated stories at... Chill you later! Yeah, stay frosty. Yip, yip, yip! Whoa! What's going on?
Oh, not again.
Ice Cub, I warned you to chill out.
I was trying to stop a pirate, but I've just made him piratier.
Load the cannons! Toggle the taskbar! That galleon's unprotected!
Right the south!
Aye, Hornswoggle. I've had an idea to make my puds pack a real punch! Lower the cable! This'll give me cannon a supercharge! Shiver me screwdrivers! That's one giant leap for a lemon meringue! Take us down, shipmate! Full ram ahead! Ah! The cannon's not the only thing that got supercharged!
I'm sorry, team. I should have listened to Gecko.
We know you were trying to stand up for what's right, but he who seeks trouble will find it, especially from a pirate robot.
Whoa! Oh no! Big trouble! Coming right for us!
My gecko muscles won't move. My super cat speed is super chilled. My feathers are frozen. Even my staff is too cold to conjure great powers.
I can fix this. I'll talk to him, like I should have done before. Yeah! Excuse me, Mr. Pirate Robot. I think we got off on the wrong foot.
Huh?
How about a chat?
What?
Hi, I'm Ice Cup. How are you?
Power puddings away, me hearties!
Whoa! Pirate Robot, I just want to talk.
He's chasing us! Full speed ahead!
Whoa! Ah! It's no good. I've turned this pirate into a super pirate storm.
Maybe if we help, you can stop him long enough to listen.
How?
use your greatest strength to overcome your weakness.
I'm a bucket of bolts, and my name's Pirate Robot. I'm made out of metal, but a pirate, that's me.
Over here, you robo-rascal!
Ha 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 ha!
The pirate path you seek is here!
Shiver me screwdrivers!
This way, you seafaring scoundrels!
Stay still, you green guild kipper!
Hey! Over here!
There's me frosty foe! Prime the power buds! This bear's crashing out with a fatal error!
Yar-har!
Lobsters and laptops! What's that?
Owlette! Now!
Hey! Well, that's what I be calling an ice storm. Whoa! Oh, you win! Fair and square, bear!
Actually, I just want to talk. Once you're safely ashore, Captain.
Yippee! Now what's this chat about?
Well, maybe from now on, you could use the park to do your putting target practice, so nothing gets splatted.
Anything you say, Storm Ice Cub. Accessory bump.
Yeah!
Yahoo!
Ha! Sometimes talking really does the trick. PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day!
Lily Faye! Woohoo! Star Stellar Surge! Thanks for the ride, Cosmic Comet! Astral Energy! Whoa! Who is that little alien imp? Ooh, galactical glow! A crystal! Have some Starlight Zing power, Crystal! 2 powers together? That's like mega giga beam ray beautiful!
Ugh! All that cosmic piffle? She's gonna be another goody-goody do-gooder pesky PJ Mask. Unless we keep her for ourselves. Hey, what's up?
Oh, greetings, fellow space bots! But let me go. I need to be free.
Playdate, Space Kid.
I'll get out of here. You'll see. Let me go. I need to be free. Quick, the library's about to open. Those books aren't gonna read themselves.
Wait. I'm picking up some unusual star energy. This way! Wow, that's giving off some intense power. Did you hear that? Someone is being held prisoner. I'll set them free. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave new band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day.
Catboy!
Gecko! Owlette! And you! Ice Cub!
Newton Star!
PJ Masks, Power tonight's mission, someone somewhere needs to be rescued.
That's right. PJ Robot, could you let me know where this is from?
Hello!
The moon. I knew it.
Let me go. I need to be free.
I'm on my way, whoever you are, to the Neutron.
Power heroes, shout hooray!
Newton Star, go save the day.
Who are you anyway?
I'm Lily Faye from far away. Who are you?
Nuh-uh. We want to know about you. Like, why are you snooping around here? Who are you working with?
I'm a space fairy, galactically warping around the universe. I go where the space vibes take me. Blah, blah, blah.
Well, if you want those space vibes to get you out of that moon bubble, you're going to have to do what we want you to do.
I'm not feeling that in my astral energy.
Okay, you're never getting out then. Hey, sis, since we're free, let's go and have some fun.
Starlight Zing Power! Not cosmic enough. Need more. Oh yes, my starry friends. You are in my orbital zing zone. Lend me your power. We can do it. Feel those galactic good vibes.
Aha! Landing set. Descend, Neutron. One small step. Oh, it's quite a big one, actually.
I know you're hiding out here somewhere, Matsuki. Boo! That's not how you play. You stay hiding until I find you. Boo! 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 Stop saying that. It's worse than you saying, "Ee! Boo! Boo! Stop! Boo! Stop!"
Phew. No sign of the Moon Girls. Now, who needs help? Aha! Greetings!
Huh?
I am Newton, scientist hero, and I am here to rescue you.
I'm Lily Faye from far away, and you're blocking my astral energy.
Not exactly welcoming. I understand you have been captured.
Yes, I need to be free. I'm on it.
Don't worry, I got this. One blast and you'll be out. Oof! What have the Moon Girls done to this thing?
You're interrupting my astral energy flow. Again.
Star power! Ah! Ugh. My star power's nearly used up.
Come on, let's see if Space Fairy is ready to play by our rules yet.
Luna! Don't worry, I'll think of a plan.
Hi, prisoner. Bored yet? Want to come out and play Cosmic, Lily Faye? Ha!
I just want to be free.
Huh? That's odd. Oh, Matsuki, dear sister. Let's do more hide and... See you, Space Fairy. Be right back.
Reactivate Starlight Zing Flow.
Space Fairy? Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get more Starlight Zing power, but you keep getting in the way.
Oh, so the starlight from that window goes into your emblem?
In the way! Again!
Sorry. Okay, get the power, blast that moon ball, then I'll fly you home in my neutron space rocket.
Boo!
Oh!
Maybe that is a fun way to play hide and seek. Boo! 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 Not so smart, Space Boy. Leaving cracks in my moon force fields for me to find. See? I can be smart, too. Boo! Boo!
Hey, where are you taking us? Wait, what are you doing?
I'd like to see your cosmic star power get you out of that one. Ha!
Matsuki find it, Matsuki win.
Find what? Ooh, brand new space rocket. Let's go for a ride.
Yippee!
It's okay. I might just have enough star power left to blast us out. Nope, not enough.
I couldn't get enough Starlight Thing power either.
Because I got in the way. Sorry, I really was trying to help.
I didn't need your help.
So why did you send this then?
Let me go. I need to be free. Cosmic Crystal? How did you...
What's happening?
The Starlight Sync power I gave to the crystal. It's coming back to me. I see now why you were trying to help me. You know, you sort of did. Are you ready to Cosmo Galactivate our Astro Power Warp Thing?
Cosmo power? What?
Use our power together?
Now?
Starlight Sync power!
Star power! We did it! We're free!
Atomic asteroids, what's that?
Huh? My neutron. Those moon girls have taken it.
Leave this to me.
The wings on the spaceship fly, 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 fly. Ugh, it's that space fairy. How'd she get out? It doesn't matter. She's going straight back.
Wow, she's good.
Starlight Sing!
Whoa! Space fairy attack! Whoa! No fair!
Yes! Woohoo! We did it!
Wow! Cosmic!
Hey, Lily Faye, you should come to Space Q and meet my hero friends.
Heroes? I go where the space vibes take me. Maybe another time. Whoa! Starlight Sing power!
Wait till I tell the others about our new space fairy friend. Newton's star shall hooray! 'Cause in the night we save